Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Library. So, is this the library? And in front is park and the parking lot. I feel the parking lot is a little bit not a wise use of the space, but this library, it is a library, looks so modern. So this is library, park, recreation, a very modern library. Wow. So the whole building is park and recreation. The first floor is the community center kind, and the second floor is children's. Third floor is for adult. Let's take a look at the community center. Banquet hall, social hall. Wow. Council chamber. Oh, that's a very, very, very good modern architecture. Wow, look at it. That's a big, huge dancing banquet hall. This is printed, I think. Limited edition print. Oh, there is a kitchen. Culinary art. Wow. There is a kitchen. Oh, this is the banquet hall. The city is compiling all the services into one place. And that's a great idea. It's so new, so clean. You can have a wedding here. You can have a rest here. And then after party, have a soccer game outside. And beautiful. I think this must be a local artist. Okay, let's go upstairs. Kitchen. Okay, I think this is the children's section. Recreation. Oh, dance studio. Youth library. Kind of a makerspace activity, arts and craft center. Restroom area. Oh, wow. Lego frenzies. 3D print. Oh, that 3D print a little bit. Yeah, it is right. Makerspace. digital media, children library. This is a little bit different from a Santa Clara library system. They made the children's section into an entertainment center with toboggan, with slides, and a lot of play toys, play area. Parking lot, a huge parking lot. This is adult library.